Hello everyone, let's talk about the use of markers in the Warhammer hobby. I just completed a few days ago the awesome Volkus Killzone, which it includes two amazing Adeptus Mechanicus logo. And I want to show you how I have painted them, well, not painted, colored, mixing different techniques. And for the sake of efficiency, I started with an acrylic white markers. The marker has several advantages, as I said many times actually. It does not mend, does not need to be dipped, and does not need to be cleaned. And is pretty fast. Of course, it has also some disadvantages, the biggest of which is that it doesn't work for fine details, and the color is generally too matte and dry. But whatever, it works just fine for applying a base color, and it's pretty quick. Coming back to the video, the sprue here has been previously primed in grey and washed in black to improve the sense of depth. Okay, so complete the base layer and move on using Terradon Turquoise contrast from Citadel and a fine brush. The contrast paints are translucent, just enough to get the right shade. I apply it on half of the cog and on the opposite side of the servo skull. The beauty of contrast color is that they are easy to use. There is no need to think too much. Just apply them to the mini and they will do the work for you. Even if you are not tidy, it doesn't matter, because they will create a transition effect. Yeah, there is one thing that you need to be careful about, and is not to apply 2 layers of color before the paint completely dry. Otherwise they may leave some stains. Besides that, they are amazing. Then I go back to the metallic markers for some details before washing everything out with the heavily diluted black oil paint to achieve a green dark effect. The result that we can obtain with the black oil paint is very similar to the one achieved with the non-oil from the Citadel, but is far cheaper. And then when the paint is completely dry, it is time to finish up the logo, rimming it and glazing it with the emerald green, also from Citadel. You see how it's easy? Improve your painting just knowing a couple of tips. Choose the right base color, the right contrast color, and they will do the work for you. Then I finish up the miniature glazing the servo skull. I used the emerald green, but I heavily diluted for ease the application of the paint, and I use the cotton bud for removing the water in excess to avoiding clog. Here it is. Did you like the video? Well, subscribe and like it. It means a lot to me. Thank you. Ciao.